Welcome to this technical guide on the custom tower. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your custom tower is having issues with graphics card support, you may notice instability when running graphic-intensive applications or even complete failure of the graphics card to function. This problem typically arises due to inadequate support or mounting of the card, which can lead to physical damage over time if not addressed. Ignoring this issue can result in more severe problems and costly repairs down the line. To tackle this repair, you'll need a few tools and materials. Grab a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some anti-static wrist straps to protect your components. To begin, make sure your custom tower is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a stable surface and open the side panel gently, ensuring not to force it. Look for the graphics card, which is usually secured in a PCIe slot on the motherboard. If you notice that it's not firmly seated or if the support brackets are loose, this is likely the culprit. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the graphics card, noting their positions for reassembly. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the card in place. Apply gentle pressure when pulling the card out of the slot to avoid bending any pins. Once the card is removed, check the support brackets and replace them if they are broken or insufficient. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the brackets, reinsert the graphics card back into the PCIe slot, ensuring it's aligned properly. Secure it with the screws, reconnect the cables, and double-check that everything is tightly fastened. Now, replace the side panel of your tower, ensuring it clicks back into place. Plug your custom tower back in and power it on. Make sure to test your graphics card with a demanding application to confirm that the issue has been resolved. To prevent future problems with your graphics card support, ensure that your tower is kept in a stable environment, free from vibrations or movement. Regularly check the mounting of the graphics card and support brackets, especially after moving your tower. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.